And these particular ones are different in that they're a single wide lens.
Godly, I want my apron.
New Godhand
Where's my apron?
Loupe.
What's your apron, actually? Look,
I could have taken it home.
the one
I was using it in the kitchen.
you did nearly lose a nipple live on air. Eh? That
Came
was
close.
hilarious. What have we
Mate.
got? Godhand.
Imagine if I lost it, I would have had to pull out my spare. Look at that. So this is a Loupe or a mag visor. Oops. There we go.
That looks hilarious. I can't take you seriously when you've got that on.
Now, why would you want one of these? So these are they're great. I can't get enough of
just
these.
Don't make eye
I'll
contact.
need
This is
to get
weird.
another one. So I normally use the 9 steps ones.
Yep.
And these particular ones are different in that they're a single wide lens,
Yes.
and these are aspherical, which means that they've got a greater depth of field.
Yes.
Okay, so usually when you've got the mag visors down, you have a very short depth of field.
Yep.
Okay, so you need to keep
Focus
flipping
range.
these out so you can use your natural vision, because natural vision you can focus on different things
Yeah.
quickly. But with these, you can have them down, and they'll naturally give you a lot better vision, and all the way across here as well. So it's more natural, and there's less eye strain.
Yep.
So I'm looking at about this distance here.
So you
And
would
that's naturally in focus. I go to here, that's in focus again, over here, and that's still in focus. So as my eyes are focusing as well, all of this is all in focus.
Yep. So you've got a
Yep.
big depth of field.
Yeah.
So compare that to the 9 steps ones.
Yep.
How much would you say it is?
What the difference in the magnification?
Well,
So
they-
I'd say this is it written here? 1.6.
1.6.
Okay, so
It's just like wearing glasses.
yes, that's right.
1.6s.
So the great thing with this is if you've got trouble with your sight and you need them for general work, you can have them on all the time. But when you're doing really fine stuff, the nicest ones still have greater magnification.
Yeah, they go up to like 5.
Yeah.
5 times.
That's right.
So you can really get into the eyeballs and stuff. Yeah.
But here, so
Oh.
I'm at this point and everything on this car is fully focused.
But you still can't tell what year it is.
I can't tell.
No.
No, I can't see that. But if you're wearing these, you can just flick them up.
And you
Out of the
can,
way.
is it comfy?
It is comfy. So they're fully adjustable as well. So you've got the adjusting strap at the back.
You got a small head.
I've got a small head because it's almost at the full type.
That's right.
Yeah.
And it's got these things on the side.
Yeah, what are they? They're probably handles like this, yeah?
Handles.
I haven't worked that one out yet. But yeah.
It
Okay,
just
just like
adds
this.
comfort and style.
So the
I want you to wear them
Arm at the
home
front.
tonight. Will you wear that home?
on the street,
Yeah.
I don't know, what sort of reward do I get? It's gonna need a pretty good reward.
You can get a soggy biscuit
Soggy biscuit.
when you get home.
Oh, I don't know. That's
No?
like, don't know how to say no to that. How good is it?
I love good hand stuff.
How about, look,
Just
I'll
oozes
see,
class.
let's see if we can sort of demonstrate it on the box, right? I'll use it overhead.
All right, use the overhead. Don't set it on fire though.
Set one on fire.
Oh,
Look at that. See as I'm carrying
look at
it up,
that.
now, everything is still in focus.
See if you can see what year it is. Wow.
Okay, all the way down here. And that's the great thing about this lens. This is what's so special about these lenses.
You can have a look at the engine.
Yeah.
Look at that. We've never seen the car look that good before.
See, how clear is it? It's amazing.
1.6 magnification.
Yeah.
Made in Japan.
So that gives you a really good idea of how everything is in its depth of field.
So obviously we didn't just get those. We would have had a full restock of nippers.
Yes.
What other goodies did come?
So we've got fine
Nippers,
pliers.
fine
We've got
pliers.
sanding blocks. You know,
Oh.
those sponge ones.
I'm
Yep.
so in love with them. We've got to get back to that model actually.
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, full restock on Godhand products and including the new Loupe. So it comes with the
Loupe.
or Loupe.
And it comes
mag visor.
with instructions. Congratulations, you are the owner. I've been practicing. You
Okay.
are the lucky owner of Loupe 1.6 magnified goggles. Enjoy
Make
your
them
modeling.
scratch free.
Enjoy your modeling. At Godhand, we appreciate your custom.
You're pretty good now, aren't you?
And if I went to the factory, there's a good chance that they would yell at me on the way in and the way out.
What are you doing here? How good is it? Pretty special, isn't it? So whatever they do, they always do really good stuff.
Don't they? They do not muck about. If it's got a Godhand label on it, you can guarantee that it is a leader in its field.
Actually, here it's indicating that between 5 to 40 centimeters is all in focus.
You demonstrated that without even reading the box.
Yep.
That's how good your in-depth analysis are.
How good's that?
All right.
So it's Godhand.
That is Godhand.
Yep.